In this video, we're going to show you how to update the report interval of your monitor. So on this expanded view of your tank, you can go to the Update Monitor tab and you can make these adjustments. The report interval is how often it makes a cellular connection. Fixed report 1 and 2 are reports at fixed hourly periods. So you could say, I want to do a report at 7 in the morning. You could set that here. If you want an additional one at 4 p.m., you could set that here. And then measurement interval is how often it takes a measurement. And so in this case, we're taking a measurement every 480 minutes or every 4 hours. And then those measurements are being reported to the cloud-based application every 12 hours. The reason we do this is it's the cellular connection which consumes most of the battery. And so by doing measurements every 4 hours and then a cellular connection every 12, we can conserve some battery that way. And this last one, this measurement threshold, says if you take a reading every 4 hours and it's less than 2 inches, do not make that cellular call. But if it's greater than 2 inches, then go ahead and make that cellular connection right away. So that's the ins and outs of the settings for your report intervals and measurement intervals for TankScan. Thanks for joining.